NASA has been gearing up to return astronauts to the moon for the first time in more than half a century. As soon as the end of August, the space agency plans to conduct the first launch of the massive rocket system for its moon exploration program, Artemis.
And welcome to Orlando's International Airport, where the local time is approximately 2:28 p.m.
Tonight, the threat of violent morning thunderstorms is hanging over NASA's plans to launch Artemis early Monday, after a series of lightning strikes hit lightning towers near the launch pad 5 times on Saturday. NASA says none of them caused any damage to the rocket.
So Artemis I is a test run. It's a test run for the rocket system, for the spacecraft, for the ground system, the ground infrastructure. The idea is to run all the hardware, all the software through its paces and show that the rockets can fire the spacecraft out of the gravitational pull of Earth and the spacecraft can separate and travel to the moon and get back to this planet safely.
With a date and time for the return to moon launch set, the Space Coast is once again gearing up for big crowds to gather here to watch history.
The week before Labor Day weekend, so I anticipate, at least 100,000, probably much more than that.
Astronauts will live and work in deep space and will develop the science and technology to send the first humans to Mars.
The highly anticipated launch of NASA's Artemis I mission
a
has
major
been
setback
scrubbed.
for NASA. The historic mission to the moon was just officially scrubbed.
We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other things, not because they are easy, but because they are hard.